Hello, dear students. I am Dharamveer. I welcome you all to my channel. प्यारे विद्यार्थियों, आज हम जो आपके लिए वीडियो लेकर आए हैं दैट इज़ ऑन ट्रिग्नोमेट्री पार्ट 3 which is mainly based on the identities which are used in trigonometry. So therefore, the title for today is use of identities. So first question is cosecant theta minus cotangent theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. The left hand side is cosecant theta minus cotangent square theta whole square, and the right hand side is 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. So dear students, you can prove this identity by taking either left hand side or right hand side. So that depends upon you. So which way you find the easy, so you can select any side in the beginning, either right hand side or left hand side. Second part is cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A is equal to 2 secant A. This is the second part. Third part is 1 plus secant A upon secant A, right hand is equal to sin square A upon 1 minus cos A. Fourth part is cos A minus sin A plus 1 upon cos A plus sin A minus 1 is equal to cosecant A plus cotangent A. So these are 4 questions I have written on the board. So start with the second part. The second part is cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A. Solution for second part. So this is left hand side. So we are taking first left hand side and we will prove the right hand side. So LCM for this is 1 plus sin A into cos A. So divide the LCM by the denominator, that will be cos A into cos A. Plus, similarly, that will be 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A. It has become cos square A. It is 1 plus sin A whole square. So squaring, first I am writing in the form of whole square. And the denominator is cos A into 1 plus sin A. Cos square A plus, so squaring 1 plus sin A, so that will be square of 1 plus square of sin A, that is sin square A, plus 2 into 1 into sin A, that is 2 sin A. And the denominator is cos A into 1 plus sin A. Just see the cos square A plus sin square A. This is the first identity. So sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So that is the first trigonometric identity. Cos square A plus sin square A or sin square A plus cos square A, that is equal to 1. So I am putting value for these two, that will be 1 plus 1 plus 2 sine A. The denominator is cos A into 1 plus sine A. So 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2 sine A upon cos A into 1 plus sine A. So common factor for this is 2. So 1 plus sine A upon cos A into 1 plus sine A. So cancel this part, common part, so that we have got 2 into 1 plus cos A. And you know, so it is the inverse of secant A. So that is 2 into secant A. And that was the right hand side. So you had to prove, so the right hand side given to you 2 secant A. So we have proved this left hand side equal to right hand side. So left hand side equal to right hand side, hence proved. So you can write, so this part is equal to this part. So first part we have solved. Now taking the first part now, I have first taken this second part. Now I am taking first part. Just to make a space for solution. So first part is cosecant minus cot theta, cosecant theta minus cotangent theta whole square. So left hand side whole square. So cosecant will be 1 upon sine theta. Cotangent theta is cos theta upon sine theta whole square. So it will be 1, the LCM is sine theta. So it will be 1 minus cos theta whole square. So 1 minus cos, numerator is 1 minus cos theta and the denominator is sine theta, and there is a whole square for these two. So 1 minus cos theta whole square upon sine square theta. So according to the requirement of the questions, we are using identity in the same way. So 1 minus cos theta can be written twice. So 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Instead of taking the whole squares, we are writing it twice. And the value of sine theta is 1 minus cos square theta, because the identity is sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. This is the identity. Sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So making the factor for this, so 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. So this is the numerator, and the factor of this will be 1 factor of plus sign. So 1 plus cos theta, and other will be 1 minus cos theta. So cancel this part. We have got 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta, and that is the right hand side. So the left hand side equal to right hand side. Hence proved. Here the two identities were used. One was a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, or a square minus b square is equal to 1 plus a plus b into a minus b. And the other identity, sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. These were the two identities used here, one from algebra and one from trigonometry. Now I am taking the third part. 1 plus secant A upon secant A, and the right hand side is sin square A upon 1 minus cos A. So this time I will take right hand side first and prove the left hand side. So right hand side, sin square A upon 1 minus cos A. In the second part, just I have solved the first part, sorry. So we have used the identity for sin square theta. So here again we will use the same. So sin square A will be 1 minus cos square A, and the denominator is 1 minus cos A. Writing factor for this, so 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A upon 1 minus cos A. So cancel this. So we have got 1 plus cos A, and we have to prove it in the form of secant A. So 1 plus cos A is equal to 1 upon secant A. So taking the LCM, secant A, so secant A plus 1 upon secant A. So that was the left hand side. So left hand side equal to right hand side. So we have started the question from the right hand side and we have reached to the left hand side. So you can take either left or right. Here that depends upon the demand of the questions. So you can prove on taking any of the sides. Let us take fourth part. Fourth part is cos A minus sin A plus 1, cos A plus sin A minus 1. The left hand side. So we are taking the left hand side, cos A minus sin A plus 1 upon cos A sin A minus 1. So just see the right hand side, we have one part that is cot A. So you have to change this left hand side in the form of cotangent A. So divide all the terms, numerator as well as the denominator, by sin A. So cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by sin A, sin A, sin A. Similarly, cos A, sin A, sin A, sin A, minus 1 or sin A. See, we have divided all the 6 terms by sin A. So it has become cot A, 1 upon sin A हो गया cosecant A, cot A plus 1 minus cosecant A. So the sin cos have been changed in the form of cosecant and cot A. So I am taking this side. Cot A, write cot A with cosecant A. इन दोनों को पास पास लिखिए और ये जो 1 है 1 को उससे अलग करें. सो cot A प्लस cosecant A minus 1. So cot A minus cosecant A plus 1. I have written in this form. So you have to change 1 in the form of cotangent and cosecant. I will write the identity here. Cot A plus cosecant A minus, in place of 1 I am writing cosecant square A minus cot square A. So if you know the identity, cosecant square A is equal to cosecant square theta is equal to 1 plus cotangent square theta. This is identity. अब इसमें क्या कि हम 1 की वैल्यू क्या होगी, हम कोटेजेंट को कोसिकेंट की तरफ अगर कर देते हैं तो वो बन जाता है कोसिकेंट माइनस कोटेजेंट स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1. सो सिमिलरली आई हैव रिटन हेयर कोसिकेंट स्क्वायर. सो इन प्लेस ऑफ 1 आई हैव रिटन कोसिकेंट स्क्वायर A माइनस कोटेजेंट स्क्वायर A, and the denominator is cotangent A minus cosecant A plus 1. So write the factor for this. So we have plus sign between these two terms, so we can write cosecant A or cot A any place at any place. So cosecant A plus cotangent A minus, so I am writing 2 factor for this. This will be cosecant A plus cotangent A into cosecant A minus cotangent A in the form of A square minus B square factors. The denominator is cotangent A minus cosecant A plus 1. Just see these two terms, cosecant A plus cotangent A minus, there are 2 terms in the bracket. Similar factor is this. This is a common factor for both the brackets. cosecant A plus cotangent A. This is a common factor. So here comes 1 minus cosecant A cosecant A minus cotangent A. Cotangent A minus cosecant A plus 1. So simplify this bracket. First write down this cosecant A plus cotangent A, and the second bracket is 1 minus cosecant A plus cotangent A, and the denominator is cotangent A minus cosecant A plus 1. So compare these two terms, cot A plus cot A plus, cosecant A minus cosecant A minus, and plus 1 plus 1. So means these three terms are identical with these three terms. They are similar. So this has been cancelled. So we have got only cosecant A plus cotangent A, and that was the right hand side. So left hand side equal to right hand side, science proved. So we have taken 4 parts and have proved. So using the identities, identity used here, I have written here. This was the identity used in these questions. Now we take some more parts. So here are some more questions. The question is 1 plus sine A upon 1 minus sine A whole under root. The left hand side is with the two terms in the denominator, 1 plus sine A, and the other is 1 minus sine A in the denominator. In the numerator is 1 plus sine A and denominator 1 minus sine A, and whole under root. I have to prove secant A plus tangent A in the right hand side. So let us start with solution. Left hand side 1 plus sine A upon 1 minus sine A under root. Just see in the denominator 1 minus sine A. So rationalizing the denominator. So 1 plus sine A upon 1 minus sine A under root multiply by 1 plus sine A 1 plus sine A under root. So we have rationalized the denominator. 1 minus sine A becomes 1 plus sine A, 1 plus sine A. So just see in the denominator we have the similar two terms, 1 plus sine A under root whole square. Whereas in the denominators 1 minus sine A into 1 plus sine A. So square of 1 minus square of sin A under root. So the numerator has become 1 plus sin A, whereas in the denominator that is a cos square A under root. So 1 plus sin A upon cos A under root and square. Here is written power 2. So power 2 with under root has cancelled, so it has become cos A. Splitting the two terms, 1 upon cos A plus sin A upon cos A. So 1 upon cos A has become secant A, and sin A upon cos A, that is the tangent A, equal to right hand side, hence proved. तो 1 प्लस कॉज ए सीकेंट ए के बराबर होता है, क्योंकि ये दोनों एक दूसरे के इन्वर्स होते हैं, रेसिप्रोकल. लेट अस टेक द सेकंड पार्ट नाउ. The second part is sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta, and the denominator is 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. So left hand side for the second part, sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta, and the denominator is 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. अब यहाँ से आप sin थीटा कॉमन ले लीजिए ऊपर से, न्यूमरेटर से. sin थीटा 1 माइनस 2 sin स्क्वायर थीटा. ऐसे ही डिनोमिनेटर में यहाँ कॉस की 3 पावर है, इससे 3 पावर. यहाँ कॉस थीटा है, तो कॉस थीटा कॉमन, इसमें रहेंगे 2 कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस 1. तो साइन अपॉन कॉस बन गया टेंजेंट थीटा. अब 1 माइनस 2 साइन स्क्वायर थीटा, इसको ऐसे लिखिए 1 माइनस 2 साइन स्क्वायर थीटा, और नीचे जो है आपका है 2 कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस 1. कॉस स्क्वायर की वैल्यू आप लगाइए इन टर्म्स ऑफ साइन, तो दैट बिकम्स 1 minus sin square theta minus 1. I have written, in place of cos square, I have written 1 minus sin square, because that is the first identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So we have replaced cos square with 1 minus sin square. So tangent theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta अपॉन, अब इससे मल्टीप्लाई करिए 2 से, 2 माइनस 2 साइन स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस 1. तो टेंजेंट थीटा इंटू 1 माइनस 2 साइन स्क्वायर थीटा अपॉन, अब यहाँ 2 और 2 और ये 1, ये 2 प्लस का है, ये -1 का, तो 2 में से 1 गया तो रह गया 1 माइनस, इन दोनों में से माइनस करके 1 आ गया, बाकी बचा 2 साइन स्क्वायर थीटा। कैंसिल दिस टर्म, so we have got tangent theta and that is the right hand side. So we have got the right hand side, that is the tangent theta. So we have proved the left hand side with right hand side, they are equal. Now take the next part. Next part is sin plus cosecant A, sin A plus cosecant A whole square. The left hand side, sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A होल स्क्वायर। अब उससे आपको ये निकालना है 7 प्लस टेंजेंट स्क्वायर ए प्लस कोटेंजेंट स्क्वायर ए। अब इसको आप होल स्क्वायर कीजिए, साइन ए प्लस कोस सीकेंट स्क्वायर ए का होल स्क्वायर करके क्या आएगा, आएगा साइन स्क्वायर ए प्लस कोसिकेंट स्क्वायर ए प्लस 2 इंटू साइन ए इंटू कॉसिकेंट ए प्लस, अब इसका होल स्क्वायर करिए, कॉस स्क्वायर ए प्लस सीकेंट स्क्वायर ए प्लस 2 इंटू कॉस ए इंटू सीकेंट ए। तो ये हमारे इसको होल स्क्वायर करने से ये इतना पार्ट आया और इसको होल स्क्वायर करके ये आया। अब इसको हमने ब्रैकेट को रिमूव करके पहले ही डायरेक्टली इसको एज होल इन द फॉर्म ऑफ होल स्क्वायर खोल के ये लिख दिया, क्योंकि यहाँ पर कोई भी माइनस टर्म नहीं थी, इसलिए आप इसको, क्योंकि प्लस टर्म है, जैसे चाहे बिना ब्रैकेट के लिख सकते हो। अब देखिए ये है साइन स्क्वायर ए, ये कॉस स्क्वायर ए, इन दोनों की जगह क्या आ गया 1, इनको हमने रिप्लेस कर दिया। अब उसके बाद है प्लस कोसिकेंट स्क्वायर ए 2 साइन ए इंटू 1 अपॉन साइन ए, क्योंकि साइन ए और कोसिकेंट एक दूसरे के क्या होते हैं, रेसिप्रोकल होते हैं। अब ये हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं, कर चुके हैं। उसके बाद आगे है प्लस सेकेंड स्क्वायर ए प्लस 2 इंटू कॉज ए मल्टीप्लाई 1 अपॉन कॉज ए। सेकेंड और कॉज क्या होते हैं, दे आर एक रेसिप्रोकल टू ईच अदर। कैंसल साइन ए कॉज ए कॉज ए, तो 1 प्लस 2 प्लस 2 1 here 2 here 2 here 5 plus cosecant square a plus secant square a, इनको मिला के बन गया 5 कोसिकेंट स्क्वायर ए का। अगर आपको फार्मूला याद हो, ये अगर आइडेंटिटी याद हो, कोसिकेंट स्क्वायर होता है 1 प्लस कोटेंजेंट स्क्वायर ए और सीकेंट स्क्वायर होता है 1 प्लस टेंजेंट स्क्वायर ए। ये भी एक आइडेंटिटी है, तो ये बन गया टोटल 5 प्लस 1 प्लस 1 7। और आपको प्रूव टेंजेंट ए हम पहले लिख लेते हैं, क्योंकि प्लस में जहाँ चाहे आप आगे पीछे लिख सकते हो। एंड दैट वाज द राइट हैंड साइड। सो देखने में ज़रूर ये लगता है कि थोड़ा क्वेश्चन मुश्किल है, लेंथी है, ऐसा नहीं है। सिर्फ आपको ये होल स्क्वायर जो ब्रैकेट्स है ये सिर्फ सिंप्लीफाई करनी है, उसके बाद इसको वैल्यूज़ पुट करनी है। जो भी आइडेंटिटी आपके पास आपको लिखवाई गई हैं या आपको याद हैं, तो वो आइडेंटिटी की वैल्यूज़ आपको इसमें लगाने हैं। उसके बाद लास्ट पार्ट इज़, हियर इज़ द लास्ट पार्ट, लास्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज़ 1 प्लस टेंजेंट स्क्वायर ए अपॉन 1 प्लस कोटेंजेंट स्क्वायर ए, these two terms written in the bracket, equal to 1 minus tangent A upon 1 minus cotangent A, both in the bracket whole square, and that is to be proved equal to tangent square A. This question has 3 parts. So let us take first part. 1 plus tangent square A upon 1 plus cotangent square A. So put the value of 1 plus tangent square A, that is secant square A, upon 1 plus cotangent square A will be cosecant square A. 1 upon cos square A, that has in place of secant, multiply sin square A upon 1. It has become sin square A upon cos square A, that is tangent square A, equal to right hand side. That was to be proved. So we have taken one part. Now we take the second part. 1 minus tangent A upon 1 minus cotangent A whole square. So 1 minus tangent A upon 1 minus, change cotangent in terms of tangent. So 1 upon tangent A whole square. So 1 minus tangent A डिनोमिनेटर में है और न्यूमरेटर में है 1 माइनस टेंजेंट ए और डिनोमिनेटर में 1 माइनस 1 अपॉन टेंजेंट ए. टेक द एलसीएम. एलसीएम इज टेंजेंट, so it has become tangent A minus 1. One minus tangent A change this tangent A upon tangent A minus 1 whole square. Just see the difference between these two terms. This is 1 minus tangent A. This is tangent A minus 1. So we can write it in this form also. Just change the minus sign. So 1 minus tangent A upon minus 1 minus tangent A multiply by tangent A whole square. We have changed tangent A minus 1 into 1 minus tangent A, keeping minus as common. So this has become that these two terms have been cancelled. We have got minus tangent A whole square. So this will be tangent square A, again right hand side. So we have proved all the three terms equals Dear students, I have given you the solution of most of the questions from this exercise which were based on the identities. So I request you to go through the videos quite well, try to learn the questions based on the identities. Please learn them before revising the lessons. Well, I had already given the identity in the previous video. So if you will pick that video and will revise the identity, you will be able to solve the other questions which were not given by me, the solution for the questions not given by me. Those were the questions for your practice. So I hope you will be benefited from this video. So please like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon if you have not done so far. So I thank you. Have a nice day.